What? Oh, the pictures. We have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to get that.
Okay, Goshka, you gonna collect those the pictures with pictures there? I can't. Charek. Michael. Go with your mom.
The kid is not my son. Big Jean is not my lover.
And all her shoes and everything. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
The kid is not my son.
Bye, Michael.
See you, Janelle.
Bum, 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 bum. Billie Jean is not my lover. It's just a girl.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Michael,
Remember to always think twice.
let's bring all the stuff all together.
Don't think twice. Don't think twice.
Do you guys get everything in here?
All right, so let me try to do this. So go like that.
The key is to put your foot up more. You push though.
All right, so like that. Like that.
Yeah. Now just move the other foot around. Stand on that one that's up and move it around, just like forward and back. Then you'll get it. It's all about pushing.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I'm telling you, just stand on the one and then move the other one.
All right, here we go.
Forward back, just forward back. You gotta go forward.
Here's me doing the moonwalk. I think I have to flip it. Wait. Like that? What's going on here?
Piotr, you need help to make sure the suit. Get the suit.
Ah! All right, Dad.
You have everything.
And this.
Mom, my mom right there.
We can do it flowers.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Probably won't. They'll die.
But you know, I don't care about flowers. I just
Okay, we're kind of getting ready. All right,
Do
see
you
ya.
want to take the flowers?